Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So we have some Happy Mail that I'm going to open today, and I'm just going to video. Alright, this is some Bath and Body Works that I've been waiting on. So I'm just going to open this up. Now I had placed the order with Bath and Body Works, and if you remember, I got 4 bottles out of 24 that I ordered. So when I called them to replace it, or to find out where the rest of it was, they corrected the order and they were only able to send 13 more. So they reimbursed me for the ones I didn't get, and went from there. So what I did get today, and it should be 13 bottles, was the Whiskey Reserve, of course, for the men. Okay. We got the Getaway Soiree. This is the Floral Fantasy. I'm loving this purple. Another Floral Fantasy. I thought the lid wasn't in there, but it's there. This is the On the Horizon. That pretty blue. And then our Lost in Sandal. It's the second one of these I have. I have one that came with the first group. Another one. Lost in Sandal. And then we have another Getaway Soiree. Usually when I order, sorry about that y'all, when I order Bath and Body Works, I try to order them in 2s. That's just how I order stuff from Bath and Body Works. And this is After Dark for the fellas. We have Black Tie. Another Black Tie. Another After Dark. And then here is our second On the Horizon. And Whiskey Reserve. Alright, so we got 14. So maybe they replaced something, I don't know. But that's it for Bath and Body Works. Probably going to keep this box, wrap it, and use it because it looks usable. So I'll be putting these into some concepts. And of course, we know these will go into my higher end concepts. I've never ordered Victoria's Secrets. If I ever order Victoria's Secrets, those will also go into high end concepts. But this is where we're at right now. So thank you for sharing that Happy Mail with me. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Bye-bye.